All right, so we are back, and yesterday we were doing React Part 2 basically. And okay, so I had said that it was the last day and I was gonna do things on my own after recording the video, but it didn't really go that way. And so basically, what I had to do is I recorded the lectures basically, and yeah, so we'll be taking a look at them and continuing further. We will be doing React. It will take some time because I also have the exam on 31st, and I still have all the things to do. Like, I'll have to figure out whether I'll have to stay here, move out somewhere, or go back home, and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, anyways, let us not worry about all those things for now. And what we are going to do is that this product thing and product everything you are seeing here, we'll be building that. It's kind of Amazon cards, you can say. So basically, all the code that you are seeing here, that way, I'll not be writing it again, obviously, but we will try to understand how it is going and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, uh, after this, I'll go for a dinner, and then after coming back, I will revise and prepare for the exam. So that's kind of the general flow basically. That will be I'll follow every day for a week. Uh, I'll do React. I'll also make time for DSA revision because again I've been saying it for a while now. But yeah, and then finally I'll also be revising for exams. But yeah, anyways, let's not waste any further time and let's go ahead with it. So this is our product tab basically, and if we want to make like a list of products, then we can think like first we'll have to one make one product component which we can use again and again. So we have form, title, everything here, but what we are not doing is that we are not showing the product tab. So let me just remove this one, and yeah. Uh, I'll also have to start the server. No. Yes. Let me just do that. Right now it's not connecting because okay, it should be working now. Yes, it is working. And You can ignore this form for now, but this was the final thing that we had built. So this is this product tab that is being displayed there. Mm-mm. Okay, so we also have this price.jsx function. So we are making we are making a price function which will so first we have this title description. We have two of them, so that's why we are iterating through them. And then we have old prices and new prices. So we can see here in the product tab we are getting past this title. So we are giving different titles to them. But I have a Logitech mouse. This is the third time that I've replaced it because the scroll wheel functionality in this mouse is it stops working after a while, and I've looked it up online as well. It happens with almost everyone, and it had 2 year warranty, so I have the warranty till like next Feb because I purchased this in originally in Feb 2024, and so I have warranty till February 2026. So the first one stopped working, I replaced it. The second one I got that also stopped. Basically, the scroll wheel stopped working, and I replaced it. And this is the third one that I've got. And I'm not sure if this is going to work fine or not. So if it doesn't, and the warranty is still there, I'll be able to replace it for the fourth time, for the third time. So I'll get a fourth one. But yeah, anyways. So in we are getting this title as our one of the prop in our product tab. I mean product component. And this product component is basically using this price thingy. So that will so basically in here we'll pass the props, because if you saw in product tab, this component is using product as the components here, and that's why we are passing the props here. So we have this old prices array, and this is the new prices. And for identifying the indexes, what we are doing is that we are passing the indexes right here. So that's how we can identify uh, what is it. So all prices index 0 will be this, and new price index 0 will be this. So that will be used for our first product, and so on. Obviously, we'll have to accept them as props because we're giving them here. And to give styles, we can obviously use CSS like this, or if we have short styling, we can also just give it here. So that will just make everything in one line and display it to the center. So this margin is making it like this. And here we can also add a heading if we want to, like hot deals or whatever. So we have given it old styles because we want to only give this line through to the old ones, old prices basically. So, and we have given it here, and new styles. So we have also added it here. So this is line through and this is bold. And if we want to assign this to descriptions, so what we are doing is we are passing arrays in an array. So this first array will correspond to the first product's detail. So that's why we are giving two description here. So this will pick zeroth array index, and in that also zero. So this one and 0 1. So this one, then there it will be 1 0. This one 1 1. This one and so on. So that was it for this thing. And let me just close these things now as we'll be moving ahead. What's the time? Okay, I think we can do a bit more, and then I'll go for dinner. Although I'm not sure what I'll do because I think it's raining outside. I don't wanna go, but the delivery charges for food are just so high, man. Like, if you're ordering something, it's like GST, then there is platform fee for the app that you're using, there's delivery charge, and then there is, I don't know what else, man. So, like, at least 80 to 100 rupees, or at least at the very least, like 50 rupees goes in that thing. So, if you go out by yourself, you can eat so much in 50 rupees. In fact, I'll be like totally full if I eat something of 50 rupees, that I'm damn sure. And yeah, so anyways, like, we'll see if I can go out, I will go out, although it's a bit of inconvenience because there's like so much mud and shit, and I'll have to walk in rain, and you know how that goes. But anyways, let's see. Let us continue for now. uh, 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 uh. Okay, so we already have this button thing, and we can see, I mean, we will see how it is working. So let me remove this form as well. Let me just keep this, and let me import uh, yeah, button in it. Okay, so this is the button component. You can see some things here. So if you see in the console, so if you see click, it says buy and hello world. If you double click it, then you can see it. If you single click it, you cannot. Okay, and if you just go over to this paragraph, you are seeing the buy being printed, and if you click this, it is saying hello world, and it is also printing this event object. So now let's see how it is working. So basically, this event object we are printing, and whenever we are on click, we are giving this to this handle click. So whenever this button is being clicked. On click, that will call this handle click thing, this function, and it will console log hello world, and it will also print this event object. So that paragraph is using this mouse hover thing. So whenever you hover over it, it will print by in console. And basically, what we'll have to be cautious is that we can't execute this thing like here. If we do that, then it will automatically execute it once, and then it will do nothing. So we are just passing it as the attribute. So whenever this happens, then it will execute this by itself. And then finally we have the event object, which is this one, as you can see here. So we have that thing here, and so the console is cleared. Whatever this warning is, you can ignore that. And basically, what we were doing is that whenever, yeah, so ignore this, but this is the base event. So you can see its target was a button. This also have different properties in itself. Type was click, React name was on click, and all that. So let us also render this, not title, but the form. Yeah. So now the form, yeah, it is also visible. So we have this input and the button, as you can see here, and if you click submit, it says form was submitted. So this is what it is doing here, and we are preventing the default, which is like redirecting to some redirecting us to somewhere else and all that, and we are passing that here. So whenever we give this on submit, so whenever the submit button is clicked and the form is submitted, it will just execute this method. So let me just remove this button component for just the sake of clarity. And now, as you can see, there is nothing here. So here we are passing this event object, and we are using its method, which is prevent default, and that's how we are preventing its default behavior. Okay, so after this we have things like state in React, which is very important. We also have hooks and all that stuff, but as I mentioned, I have to go get dinner, so I'll do whatever I can, and most probably I'll try to revise this for the exam and stuff, and come back to this tomorrow, or I don't know when. Maybe I'll do it off stream and then continue again. But yeah, we'll see. Uh, Anyways, though, that is it for now. let us just so this was our all the work in basic React app. Now we'll just move on to this React states and see how the states are working. So yeah, uh, that is it for now. Thank you for watching, if you are watching. And by the way, yeah, we have 10 subscribers. Yesterday only, or the day before, I think we had 8, and now it's 10. So finally, the first number, it's like 10, 100, and then whatever. But anyways, I'm not really expecting anything from this. Although it's great to have support from people and people that watch, even though if you have not subscribed and you're still watching, you're still a real one. And if you have subscribed, that means a lot to me. So yeah, thank you for your continuous support. I will continue going, and we will be going through this journey together. So yeah, that is it for now. Good day or night. I am signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.